Here we come to the main elevators at the Houston Hobby Airport in the new expansion. Oh, we got one that's already here. There might be people in it, so. Yeah, this is an updated take on this elevator here, so.
Did they do this
Going
now?
down.
No, it was the same the last time when I came here back in 2019.
Oh, okay.
But I think these elevators were installed in 2016.
2016?
Or 2015, or I have to check, but I'm sure.
First floor. Going up.
I just realized the parking elevators that we filmed are the blue elevators.
Third floor.
I think these are Gen2.
Yeah, they are. I want to send this down. I want to get the other one. I don't know if that other elevator car even works or not. But while we're waiting, there's a view to the airport right there.
I don't think the other one's working.
Yeah, apparently not. So why don't we just take this one and on two?
Okay.
Second floor.
We're at two.
Going up.
Right, there it goes, and that's it.